Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And this is my little kitchen, and behind the camera is Michael.
Hey everyone,
Ginger,
how are you?
Say hi to everyone. Come on, girl. Teddy boy. Where's my teddy bear?
He's chilling.
Come here. Teddy. Where's my dog at? Oh, there he is. And there's Teddy, everybody. Okay, Teddy, you can go now. So anyways, guys, today we are going to make a coconut flour banana bread, but it's going to be gluten-free. So Michael wants to call it gluten-free coconut flour banana bread. So it's a gluten-free coconut flour banana bread, okay? So that's what we're going to call it. So that's what we're going to make. And I wanted Michael just, leave the camera there. So this is what it's going to consist of. Our coconut flour, gluten-free coconut flour banana bread. You're going to put 4 bananas, and if they're ripe, the riper they are, the better it is. But you don't want them to be rotted or anything like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put 4 bananas in here, guys. Don't worry about those little flaky flakes that the banana have. It's no big deal. And then we're going to take our masher, and we're going to mash the banana, see? Because it has to be mashed. And don't worry about those dark colors, because we're baking a bread that is going to be delicious. Let me tell you, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put walnuts. I was thinking about putting chocolate, but then Michael says no, because we're not using sugar for this bread, because the sweetness is coming out of the banana.
That's right.
Now, as we're mashing, what I'm going to do is, because I'll mash it faster, then you got to put 3 eggs. 3 whole eggs. You're going to go 1. You're going to leave them like that in the corner, because we got to break them before we stir them together with the bananas. So that's 3 eggs. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a fork from here, guys. And with this fork, I want to break, see? I just went like that, the yolk, because it went down there, and there you go. So we are going to mix the eggs with the bananas. Just stay with me. I know it doesn't look too pretty, huh, Michael? What do you think, Mike?
Already looks good.
Doesn't look too pretty, but you know what? I love it. Oh, Michael, by the way, show everybody my little reindeer for decorations that I bought. I hope everybody likes him. I know I have to like straighten out his ears, but he makes noise, and I sit him right there in the kitchen. There you go. That's my big guy. So, okay, as you can see, guys, see, come here, Mike. You can see the bananas and the eggs just doing their job. So the next thing that we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna put, I think it says half a cup, right? This is half a cup of coconut flour.
All right.
So we're gonna put it there. And
Bingo.
then this is, I think it's a 1/4 cup. It is. So 1/4 cup, because you'll see it now, of flaxseed meal.
Yes.
That's what is going to get everything together in there.
Yes.
Okay, guys? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep on, see? With this, we can keep on like battering and battering. And then we also, I forgot, I have some coconut oil here. And how much is that coconut oil there, Michael?
1/4 cup.
1/4 of a cup. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the microwave, because it has to be, and let it melt. And then I have my peanut butter here. And how much of the peanut butter? 1/3 cup?
Let me double check. Yep, 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in there.
Put it in.
You know, so it's a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. That's how messy it is. Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. But you know how it is. I'm trying to get it off my hand. And, you know, it's coming. It's coming. There you go. Hey? Right, Mike? It's coming. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put... Don't get desperate, Michael, on me. Okay? And we're doing this slowly. So we got the 4 bananas, the 3 eggs, half a cup of coconut flour, a 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal, 1/4 cup, oh, how much is that? A 1/3 cup of peanut butter?
Oh, yeah.
Of creamy peanut butter. And this is what? Half a cup?
1/4 cup.
1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. So we're gonna add that in there.
Add
Okay?
it
That's
in,
gonna
add it
moisture
in.
our bread that we're gonna be baking.
That's right.
So now we're gonna keep on. It's a little bit sticky, but you know it is.
That's a
what
good
it
thing.
is.
That's
So
a good
you see
thing.
how it's forming, guys, right?
Oh yeah.
How does it look? This is gonna be so good. I'm telling you guys. I always like I gotta eat something sweet, some kind of bread, because I haven't had bread in ages. If I tell you that, you're not gonna believe me. In ages, you can ask Michael.
Oh yeah.
Now
She's telling the truth.
We're gonna put, Michael, 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, because you know you gotta give it a little tasty taste, right? That's not. It's a little
Taste it now. Taste it now.
So that's 1 tablespoon. See? You gotta give it a little thing. And a little bit of sea salt. It says like a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, you know? But I'm just gonna put some here on my hand because I don't like the salt to the tea. I like to put some, most of my time a little bit less than what it says I gotta put. And then we're just going to stir this around, guys. Yeah? Little powder there, Mike.
Oh yeah.
It looks like that movie for Scarface.
Oh yeah.
You want to say hello to my little friend? The stir here. Look at that. Oh, I can smell that. Let me tell you.
Wow, that actually looks pretty good.
It does, right?
Oh yeah.
And now, I don't know if I can make 2 loaves. What I did was I greased 2 loaf bread pans, you know? And I'm thinking about making 2. What do you think, Michael?
Oh yeah.
All right, the only thing I don't know is how long I gotta put it in for an hour.
Oh yeah.
On 350.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Anyways, I'm gonna keep on moving this, as you can see, and then it's nice and firm. It looks perfect to me right now. So I put 2 loaves. I buttered 2 of these loaves. So let me put them right here. You can keep on filming, Michael. And I'm gonna put them right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put. Let me do this way because I'm left-handed. Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think 1 loaf, Mike. It's not gonna be enough for 2, but 1 is
That's
good.
okay. That's
so
okay.
1 loaf. I thought I was gonna be able to make 2, but I'm not. And what I wanna do, I wanna put some chocolate chip on the top. A little bit of chocolate chip chips. What do you think, Michael? Should we? Or you wanna put the walnuts? It's up to you. What do you want?
What do you want?
Huh? Oh, I like it with all kinds of stuff. Hold on a second. Because it's only on the top, so when it comes out baked, the bread, the walnuts will be, you know what I'm saying? Let me just
Toasted.
fix it. And it will be nice and toasty, exactly.
Yeah, so put
so
them
we're
on
only
the top.
going to need 1 of those. And I want to put some on the top. Exactly. Let me put
Yeah, you
some on
can't
the
eat
top.
chocolate chip.
What I'm gonna need, no?
No.
But a couple of them.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's probably going to look really nice. So the chocolate chips, I think I can eat them. Let me see.
Nope. They
We have
have.
chocolate
They
chips.
have milk, Mom.
They'll milk chocolate.
Yeah, sorry, Mom.
Okay, so some walnuts on the top, guys, like this. It's gonna be our delicious gluten-free coconut flour banana bread. I'm gonna put a little more
nut bread, yum.
banana nut bread, and it's gonna go in the oven. I'm just cleaning it with my finger like that.
Classic.
It's gonna be in the oven for 1 hour, from 50 minutes to 1 hour on 350.
That's right.
Just cleaning that. And we're gonna put it in right now. Here we go, 350. Let's put the time. That is we can show everybody that cake that I made before. I'm gonna make one so everybody can see me how to do it. It's a pumpkin cake that I made, and I put some walnuts on the top. Okay, so anyways, here is our gluten-free coconut flour banana bread on 350. Timer. Come on, Michael. Coke time. Damn, that was so dumb. Did you see what I was doing? So anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow us. And don't forget to click on that notification bell, on the bell. So every time we do stuff like this, you can get notified. You can watch it, be one of the first ones to watch it. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back in 1 hour to see how that gluten-free coconut flour banana bread comes out. It's gonna be delicious for all. Thanks for watching. Don't go away. Hey guys, thanks for coming back. So what I want to do is, an hour is almost over, 15 more seconds. I want you guys to see me wash me, take it out. I just want you to see how pretty it came out. But we're gonna come right back 15 minutes after, because you gotta let it cool down, so I can cut me a slice and eat it right in front of you. It's gonna be the first time in a long time. Ready? Oh my God, look at that. This is my gluten-free coconut flour banana bread with was it walnuts I put on the top?
Yes.
Right? With walnuts on the top. So again, gluten-free coconut flour banana bread with walnuts.
That's right.
With coconut flour, gluten-free coconut flour banana bread with walnuts. Guys, we'll be back in 15-20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. We'll be back in 15 to cut this and eat a slice, so you guys can see perfection of delicious gluten coconut flour banana bread. Don't be way back. Hey guys, so this is my gluten-free coconut flour, right?
Oh yeah.
Banana bread with walnuts, and it's cool. So we gotta like, oh, there you go. Alright, look how it came off, Mike.
Wow.
I know, it's amazing. So this is my gluten-free coconut flour banana bread, guys.
Oh wait, can I take a picture?
I mean, I can't believe it how pretty it came out, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
I mean, if you look, I want everybody to see like all the sides, not only one side, all the sides. That was that butter that we put, look, that it just didn't stick in there. It came right out. Okay, so
let me take a picture of that. Wow.
Go on, Michael, take a picture.
Wow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Wow, that is gorgeous.
Very, very nice.
And it's
right?
gluten-free,
So
everybody.
It's gluten-free. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna take. Did you take nice pictures, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Cut it up, cut it up.
Wait, you know what? Do you do that like with a razor knife?
You know, Mom,
Like
actually, you could
this.
probably like
I always
slice the
like-
bread, and I can take another picture with it sliced open.
Yeah, hey, go ahead.
Okay.
You want to?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Go ahead, drop
move
it.
my coffee.
But drop it real quick.
No, and still smoke is coming
my.
out.
Oh wait.
Look how beautiful
Wait,
that
hold on.
came
Move your hand
out.
real quick, so I can take a nice little. Wow. Hold on. Oh.
Go ahead.
Wow.
You like that? So anyway, I wanted to take a piece like that, guys, and I want to take my first bite. I haven't had bread in a long
It's been over
time.
2 years, Mom.
And this is gluten-free.
And this is not bread,
coconut
guys.
Flour,
Gluten-free.
banana bread with walnuts on the top.
Well, it is bread, but it's gluten-free bread.
Okay, so let me take.
With no rice.
Wow. A little coffee.
Well.
Delicious. The only thing, because it has no sugar, but it's delicious. It has like that little hint from the bananas. And you know that I put a little bit of vanilla also, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the bananas, because we like smush those bananas really good, but this is amazing. It's very good. And take another bite, guys. Right until you get yours, Mike.
Oh yeah.
When I used to like be able to eat eggs and bread and stuff like that, I used to enjoy it with a nice cup of coffee, black coffee, like you see me drinking right now, because I like my coffee black. I don't want no milk in it, none of that. But this is delicious. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys like my recipe, and I hope some of you guys will try to make it. You know what I'm saying? Let me cut a piece like that.
Ingredients
so
in the
know.
description down below.
Yeah, I hope you guys can like make it close.
So check it out.
Try to make it for yours and your family. It's good for you.
That's right.
It's very low in calories. It's not gonna stick in your stomach.
No.
And make you feel uncomfortable and your stomach hurting. None of that. It's a delicious recipe. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Like us on Instagram. You can find us on
Google Plus.
on Google Plus,
On Tumblr.
on Tumblr,
Patreon.
on Patreon.
We're everywhere.
If you want to donate $1, $2, $5, $10. It will help us a lot if you guys do that. If you can, it's okay too. But with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't drink and drive. Love each other. And have some gluten-free coconut flour banana bread like the one that I'm having here right now. Good night to all. Peace on earth.